Hi there, Marge here from A Rose Grows in Harlem. I had to do a quick tomato appreciation post because I have not been in the garden. Oh boy, there are a lot of weeds, but I had to harvest some of my tomatoes, but there were neighbors around, so I couldn't necessarily talk. So I'll do a little bit of a voiceover, but I wanted to show you a little bit of something because I know I haven't posted in a while, and I'm sorry to myself, I'm sorry to those who are watching what's happening, but yeah. So let's go take a look at the side garden and see where we're at with the tomatoes. Here are my side yard tomatoes. These cute little black crowned beauties are midnight snacks thanks to the okra lady. You can see they have a beautiful black crown and they're growing like crazy. This was supposed to be one of my brown berries, but I think it was just a regular red cherry tomato. You'll see over here are my Italian Romas. Those so far have been the best, the plumpest, most hardy, and the vines are growing everywhere. That's evidence of a drought there. Those are some tomatoes I did not get a chance to get to in time. Some more Italian Romas. And over here, oh, more Italian Romas. And here I'm going to harvest some. Very, very plump. And I didn't want them to go bad. So I decided to go ahead and just clip them off when they're green and they'll ripen on the counter. Here's another big one. And the smell of cut tomato vines is wonderfully delicious. And here is my beautiful harvest. That's a beefsteak. And if you look carefully, I even have a little snowberry in there.